My dad's tough love put me in the hospital. At 15, I never expected a slice of pizza to change everything. One night after school, Dad and I stopped by our favorite pizza spot, and I was excited for my usual order. But just as I opened my mouth, he cut me off with a harsh, "No pizza for you tonight, Lily. You've been gaining weight, and it's not a good look." His words hit hard, but I forced a laugh, thinking maybe he was just worried about me. That night, he devoured his pizza while I stared at a sad salad, the only thing he allowed me to eat. Over the next few weeks, things got worse. His comments became crueler, and he started monitoring everything I ate, constantly criticizing me. I felt trapped, desperate to make him happy. So I turned to a terrible solution. I began making myself sick after meals. It seemed like the only way to escape his scrutiny, but it spiraled out of control. I isolated myself from friends, too ashamed of what I'd become. One night, after another brutal lecture about my weight, I locked myself in the bathroom and forced myself to throw up again. This time, though, something went wrong. Everything went black. I woke up in a hospital bed, my dad's face hovering over me, filled with guilt. "Lily, I'm so sorry. I never realized how much I was hurting you." His apology came too late. The damage had been done.